Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. The financial sector is abuzz over a remark that Bloomberg recently published. The corporation predicts that XRP's value will surge to $60,000 in the announcement. An expert for Bloomberg made this bold assertion when he likened XRP to Bitcoin in the banking industry. This is not mere conjecture, but rather founded on facts from a credible source, since the speculation approved has been endorsed by Bloomberg business specialists. Speculation that XRP's value could soar to an unbelievable $60,000 is gaining traction. This is in line with Ripple's previously stated objective of becoming XRP the cryptocurrency of choice inside the banking industry, similar to how Bitcoin is favored by the general market. That a Bloomberg advisor recently admitted during a live broadcast is more than just hearsay, it's official. Desta, a partner of Ripple and the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, plans to use the XRP ledger to handle transactions worth a staggering $1.2 quadrillion. A basic price of around $10,000 per XRP might be necessary for today's feature to manage such quantities. As we mentioned earlier in the video, the International Swaps and Derivatives Association is working with Ripple to put an end to their ambitious plan to manage more than $120 quadrillion. However, that is just the beginning of the groundbreaking idea that Ripple is forming important collaborations across the financial and institutional landscape. Europe and North America have been our primary areas of attention up until this point. However, the impact of Ripple's extends much beyond these specific areas. Africa is one place where Ripple is working together and making significant strides, so we shouldn't overlook it. Holy cow! Ripple's main objective is to revolutionize the way money flows into Africa. Facilitating trade between Africa and a number of other significant. One other prominent group is Forbes. Arena. These activities demonstrate the company's commitment to fostering innovation in the decentralized finance industry and its vision for a future with various chains. Bard AI has verified that Forbes had published an article with the headline Ripple's dedication to supporting innovation. Crypto market enthusiast investors have been particularly motivated by this price movement, which is a direct outcome of the SEC's push to extend the deadlines for disclosures regarding remedies in the Ripple case. Finally, we take a look at the bigger alternative cryptocurrency markets, which showed that leading cryptocurrencies like XRP, Ethereum, and Solana have broken out of their kickoff accumulating phase. This might mean that they're about to embark on an upward trend. This happened despite the fact that Bitcoin ETFs were subject to regulatory uncertainties in the SEC over their exclusive clearance. Alternate cryptocurrency market capitalization shifts in the past few months suggest rising investor optimism and a promising future for the digital asset industry in 2024. A new cryptocurrency called XRP is on its way to $59 for C2. Curiously, this item was withdrawn just minutes after it went live. There is this data, and there has been a recent uptick in the price of XRP for other AI systems as well, such as GPT chat and others. Major whale transactions and legal maneuvers by the Securities and Exchange Commission against Ripple have pushed the price of the token above 60 cents, indicating bullish momentum. Mark will look into the possibility that XRP is rallying towards higher psychological levels, driven by new investments and market optimism. What follows is an analysis of Ripple's recent strategic decisions to enhance XRP Ledger's functionality through important integrations. Among these integrations is a collaboration with the Real Network. With the hope of introducing cross-chain dApps and more liquidity to the XRP ecosystem, this partnership aims to boost blockchain interoperability. Come with us as we analyze the stories and draw conclusions about what they mean for the future of cryptocurrencies, the state of digital banking, and blockchain technology. Speculation has been sown among dealers and investors worldwide by these activities. Think about how XRP's trading volume has been really low for the past few days. Please think about subscribing to our channel if you haven't done so previously. Please show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing your status as a dedicated subscriber with us in the comments. I was wondering if there was anything of note happening this week with Ripple, XRP, strategic maneuvers, or collaborations. What follows is an analysis of Ripple's recent strategic initiatives aimed at enhancing the XRP ledger XRPL and facilitating important integrations. Among these integrations is a collaboration with the Real Network. Increasing compatibility amongst various blockchains is the goal of this partnership, potentially leading to more liquidity in the XRPL ecosystem and cross-chain dApps. According to Currency, these changes demonstrate Ripple's commitment to encouraging innovation in the blockchain area and its goal of a future with several chains. More money is floating around in the market. A new market for alternative coins, the price of XRP has been steadily increasing and has already crossed the 60-cent mark. Hello, Mark. Once again, Mark. Following yesterday's brief lull, this price trend is gaining even more support from crypto market aficionados. This is due to the fact that it follows the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC's) efforts to postpone resolution-related briefing dates in the Ripple case. The intriguing part, though, is the whale activity that a blockchain tracker has noticed in the XRP market. Two massive whale transactions involving 6 million, one of the world's most prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, have been reported. In the first transaction, 1.9 million XRP, equivalent to $2, was sent from Nance to an undisclosed wallet. In contrast, the second deal showed the transfer of 40 million XRP, or $2.30 for every 7 million market transactions. An executive from Ripple discusses the latest XRP by breaking his silence. After being silent on the latest XRP ledger action that may alter the course of events, President Ledger finally speaks up. During the course of this week, Ripple announced 2 additional integrations for the XRP ledger, and President Monica Long expressed her joy and optimism about these achievements in a recent announcement. Long has been very vocal about her excitement about the upcoming integration of the XRP ledger with the Real Network. Similarly, Ripple's president is optimistic about the integration's potential to increase the XRP ledger's cross-chain dApp support. Along with facilitating the purchase and sale of stablecoins and other assets and extending XRP's capabilities to more than 50 other blockchains, the Axel Foundation and Ripple have joined forces to improve the interoperability of the XRP ledger on several other networks. The joint venture's objective is to pave the way for a more linked blockchain environment, which will provide developers with more opportunities to build applications and integrate infrastructure. The Real Network's integration with XRPL is an attempt to strengthen the XRPL DeFi ecosystem by supplying reliable currency and huge cap asset liquidity. As a supplemental resource, the network will allow XRP to enhance its utility. Developers will be able to utilize the built-in capabilities of the XR, such as the native DEX and the ammunition that was previously announced. The fact that the top-notch network will make it easier to apply cross-chain dApps on the XRPL environment is an additional perk. In addition to standard ACID bridging, XLR provides general message passing, GMP, a feature that enhances XRP's capabilities by letting programmers execute function calls on smart contracts across 55 interconnected blockchains. Here we have the XRPL. Also, Zox and Ripple announced their partnership earlier this week. The two parties have joined together to make it easier to tokenize physical assets on XRPL. Because of this, both native XRP and issued tokens will be able to stand in for chain assets. May is when the integration of X is expected to be deployed, giving developers more chances to build new blockchain apps. The XRPL is already one of the most popular platforms for decentralized funding, and its possibilities will only grow if it is linked to the actual network. Ignore the effects of competing cryptocurrencies' meteoric rise in market value. Market capitalization for alternative cryptocurrencies has reportedly moved past the initial coin offering, ICO, accumulation phase, according to a recent post on X. The prices of competing cryptocurrencies are expected to rise following this breakout. Technical analysts came up with the idea of the Wyckoff accumulation pattern to help them find good buying opportunities in this market period. The video concludes with that. Like and subscribe, as always, would be great. Muchas gracias, depart.